Hello traders! Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the GTX Scalper, an expert advisor developed by Vladimir Mametov for MT5. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at 125 US dollars. This is version 3.3, updated on January 5th, 2026. Now, starting with the MQL5 Marketplace page, GTX Scalper is specifically designed for trading the EURUSD currency pair. All right, and the developer recommends using it on the 1 hour time frame with a minimum deposit of 100 US dollars. All right. According to the description, the EA analyzes the market using pivot points based on overbought and oversold zones and includes a total of 22 customizable strategies. One of the main highlights here is the flexibility. The developer states that traders can either use the default configuration or optimize the available strategies and settings according to their own broker conditions and preferences. All right. The product description also specifically notes that the EA does not use martingale strategies. So as I continue through the feature section, risk management appears to be an important part of this system. All right. The EA includes both dynamic and static stop loss protection, along with controls for maximum drawdown. There are also options for trailing stop management and take profit customization. Another feature worth noting is the built-in news filter and trading time filter. Traders can control when the EA is allowed to trade and can also pause trading around medium impact and high impact news events. The marketplace page even mentions that the news filter can be tested inside a strategy tester using a separate news file provided by the developer. Okay, so now looking at the settings, there are options for automatic or fixed lot sizing, spread filtering, slippage controls, Friday trading permissions, and visual panel customization. The included panel can display information directly on the chart, helping users monitor the EA more easily. So before moving into the backtesting section, it is important to mention the recommended operating environment provided by the developer. The EA is intended for EURUSD on the H1 time frame, and the description suggests using low spread trading conditions where possible. All right. So now let us just move into the historical backtest results. And as always, historical testing provides a way to evaluate how the EA performed during the selected period under past market conditions. So if the testing report specifies whether every tick or another modeling method was used, and that's what considering when assessing the quality of the historical analysis. Based on what we can see here, all right, I can see that the balance and equity curve looks pretty interesting. Okay, so now looking at the strategy tester reports displayed here, initial deposit shows $10,000, total net profit about 2.56 million, and the total trades taken were 2,295, out of which 2,259 were profitable. That gives us a 98.43% win rate. The largest profit was 69,558.42. Largest loss was 30,728.31. Average profit 1,325.49, and the average loss was 6,883.27. That tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. But the high win rate was probably a major factor that resulted in the significantly positive total net profit. But now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the GTX Scalper EA performed in 2026 over the past 5 months plus. All right, so we are testing GTX Scalper on EURUSD on the H1 time frame, and we're testing from the first day of 2026 till date. So for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. All right, and then looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 18,505.77, and the total trades taken were 148, out of which 145 were profitable. That gives us a 97.97% win rate. All right, not so far away from what we saw on the marketplace page. Okay, so we can also see that the largest profit was 4,904.13, largest loss 34,720, average profit 289.12, average loss 20,142.73. So here again, we are having an average risk to reward ratio that is bad. All right, so this tells me that this EA doesn't seem to prioritize risk to reward ratio, but the win rate is pretty high though. Now, reviewing the completed chart activity, the marketplace description indicates that entries are generated using pivot points and overbought and oversold market conditions. Now, position management is then handled through the available stop loss, trailing stop, take profit, and recovery related settings described by the developer. Looking across the historical chart behavior, it is useful to observe how the EA responded to changing market conditions throughout the tested period. So since the system includes multiple customizable strategies and optimization options, behavior may vary depending on the configuration being used. When evaluating the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can be affected by lot sizing choices, risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Historical results should always be viewed as a reference rather than a prediction of future performance. So I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments before considering live deployment. So overall, the GTX Scalper provides a structured approach focused on EURUSD trading, with extensive customizable or customization options, multiple strategy configurations, news filtering capabilities, and several built-in risk management tools. Whether the default settings or customized parameters perform best will ultimately depend on the trader's own testing and optimization process. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.